Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore one of the most powerful tools in digital marketing, video marketing. If you're looking to boost engagement, increase your reach, and build a stronger connection with your audience, video marketing is the way to go. Let's dive in and learn how to use video marketing effectively. First, let's talk about why video marketing is so effective. Videos are engaging, easy to consume, and can convey complex information quickly. They capture attention better than text or images alone and are more likely to be shared on social media. With platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, video content can help you reach a broader audience and drive more engagement. The first step in creating effective video content is to know your audience, understand their interests, pain points, and what type of content they find valuable. This will help you create videos that resonate with them and encourage interaction. Use analytics and feedback from your existing content to guide your video topics. Next, focus on the quality of your videos. High-quality videos are more likely to grab attention and hold it. Invest in good equipment, such as a decent camera, microphone, and lighting. If you're on a budget, modern smartphones can still produce excellent quality videos. Additionally, ensure your videos are well edited and free from distracting background noise or visual clutter. Now, let's talk about the types of videos you can create. There are several formats to consider, each serving different purposes. Explainer videos are great for breaking down complex topics or demonstrating how your product or service works. Product demos allow you to showcase your product's features and benefits in action. Customer testimonials provide powerful social proof as satisfied customers share their experiences. Behind-the-scenes videos give your audience a glimpse into your company's culture and processes. Live videos let you engage with your audience in real time, answering questions and building a stronger connection. And tutorials and how-to videos provide value by teaching your audience something new. Your video content should be engaging from the start. The first few seconds are crucial for capturing your audience's attention. Start with a strong hook, such as a surprising fact, a compelling question, or an intriguing visual. Make sure your content is well-paced and keeps the viewer's interest throughout. Include clear calls to action, or CTAs, in your videos. Whether it's subscribing to your channel, visiting your website, or purchasing a product, guide your viewers on what to do next. Place CTAs strategically within the video and at the end to maximize their impact. SEO optimization is key to getting your videos discovered. Use relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags. Write detailed descriptions and include links to your website or other related content. Custom thumbnails can also increase your video's click-through rate, so make sure they are eye-catching and relevant to your content. Promote your videos across multiple platforms to increase their reach. Share them on social media, embed them in blog posts, and include them in email newsletters. The more places your videos appear, the more opportunities you have to engage with your audience. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging interaction. Ask questions, invite viewers to share their opinions, and make them feel part of the community. Engagement signals to platforms that your content is valuable, helping it reach more people. Finally, track and analyze your video performance. Use analytics tools to monitor views, engagement, and conversion rates. This data will help you understand what works and what doesn't, allowing you to refine your strategy and create even more effective videos. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to using video marketing to boost engagement. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating compelling video content that resonates with your audience and drives results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on digital marketing and business growth. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.